This is the Diex TB10 Turbula mixer. This is the controls for it. This is with the cover open, showing the mixing vessel. There's a plastic container included currently in the machine. Can be adjusted. There are bands in there for holding smaller containers and adjustments for different size containers. We do have the operating manual for the unit. This is now with the cover in place. There's a viewing window in the cabinet. The rear of the machine with the cabinet closed. Now increasing the speed with the controller. Unit's just sitting on a skid, so there is some movement. It does have feet on the bottom for mounting. Since we've been running it, the timer is counting up, so we're at 3 minutes right now. Now decreasing the speed once again. The machine is set up for 110 volt with the transformer provided, so it can plug right into the wall.